Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to edit your profile in your Facebook account. Make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here I go. Your profile appears. You can see that edit profile option at the middle section. Tap on that. Now firstly you can edit your profile picture, then cover photo. As I have already put the profile and cover photo, I won't edit it. Now moving downwards, you can edit your bio or add some details. Here I will be tapping on edit at the right corner. Here I go. As I have already mentioned my work, education, current city, I would like to add my hometown. Here I go. You have to enter the name of your hometown. Tap on search. Tap on save. Now after you are done, at the bottom you can change your relationship status, or you can fill up this information however you want to. After you fill up all the details, you have to tap on save at the bottom. Now you can edit your hobbies or also add some featured photos or videos or also add some links. In this way, you can easily edit your profile in your Facebook account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.